Hey, it's Shay with Tidy Style, and today I wanted to show you a new product that we're launching. We have officially put a lot of time and effort into a digital download DIY guide. So we are doing a series. The first in the series is a Pantry DIY guide. And if you purchase, this is what you would get on your computer, and you can choose to print it off or not, but it has checklists of how to, it has product and QR codes for everything that we love and use on our everyday projects. And we even show how to set up a pantry, how we would do it in different layouts of different size pantries. So this is an amazing new product. We have more coming. But check it out on our website or go to our Instagram, and I hope you enjoy. It is really helpful for if you feel like you can do your organization but just can't afford to have professionals come in, or you don't have professionals in your area. It's just a really great affordable way to have a tidy style look in your home but do it on your own. So check it out and let us know what you think.